Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create an email draft in GetResponse quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click on Email Marketing in the left-hand menu, then click Create Newsletter. Choose the Drag and Drop Email Editor option. Now enter your email details. Select the sender name and sender email address you want to use. Add a subject line that will appear in your subscriber's inbox. Click Next to continue. You'll now see the email template gallery. Choose any template you like, or select a blank template if you want to start from scratch. Click Use Template. Inside the email editor, you can customize your email by clicking on any text block. Replace the sample text with your own message. You can also drag and drop elements like images, buttons, videos, and social media icons into your email. To add a call to action, drag a button block into your email and enter the link you want visitors to click. Once you're finished editing, click Next. You'll see a preview of your email. Review everything carefully and make any final changes if needed. Instead of clicking Send Now, select Schedule. Choose the date you want your email to be sent. Next, select the exact time you want the email delivered to your subscribers. If available on your plan, you can also enable perfect timing, which automatically sends your email when each subscriber is most likely to open it. After choosing your schedule settings, click Schedule. Instead of sending or scheduling the email right away, look for the option to save your work as a draft. And if you're planning to use GetResponse, check out my recommended link in the description below. As a special bonus, anyone who joins through my link will receive my free guide. Wrapped Gift: 100 high-converting email subject lines for affiliate marketing. These proven subject lines can help increase email open rates, get more clicks, and potentially generate more affiliate commissions. You'll find all the details in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.